If this is the first foray into researching trademark and trademark protection that you've ever done, I want to share with you quickly a couple of top tips about trademarks for beginners. Okay, most important thing, choosing a name. The name is the foundation for your brand, and you ought to know about the spectrum of trademarks and what makes a strong mark versus a weak mark. I recommend that you choose a creative and bold brand name. Second tip, you get some protection just from using a name, but you get a lot more protection when you register the name with the US Patent and Trademark Office or USPTO. Yes, there are some costs involved, but it has a great return on trademark investment because the value of a registration to building a strong protected brand really is hard to measure in dollars and cents, but it far exceeds the costs. And the trademark registration process can be long. It takes a year plus on average, but the important thing is to begin that process. Proper use of a trademark is also helpful to know about. Use it in a manner that stands apart, so in bold or italics or color if it's in a group of text, and use the proper trademark symbol when applicable, TM, SM, or R with a circle. If you follow these steps, your brand will no longer be a beginner. It will be well on its way to expert status. And of course, I've got many more resources where you found this video about all of these topics and more to take you from a trademark beginner to a trademark expert. If you enjoyed this episode, stay tuned for the next episode about the 25 benefits of trademark registration.